Everyone wants to break NVIDIA's monopoly. And honestly, I understand why. Competition is good, innovation is good, lower prices are good. Google is building AI chips, Amazon is building AI chips, Microsoft building AI chips, Meta is building AI chips. Sounds like win for everyone, right? But nobody talks about what happens next because AI isn't just the chip problem, it's an infrastructure problem. More AI chips means more data center, more electricity, more cooling, and the more resources. And here is irony. Breaking one monopoly doesn't always eliminate monopolies. Sometimes it just created new ones. The future of AI isn't just about who builds the best chip. It's about who can support the infrastructure behind it. So, what do you think? Are we creating more competition or just different giants?